Worthiness of an official. There was a king in Tripura who had a very wise and intelligent officer to look into the trades of the state. He was very famous for his sincerity. The king was not always happy with him, and he did not mark up the value of goods while selling it to the people. The king always thought that if the officer wanted, he could earn good profits for the king, but the officer never did so. One day, the king came across a young smart man. He immediately appointed him as his officer. The young man was very happy, and in the process of impressing the king, he often marked up the price of the goods while selling it to the people and while buying things. He was unfair and paid a low price. The king was pleased with the fact that he was making profits. One day, a merchant came to the king with 500 healthy and strong horses. He wanted it to sell it and get a good price for it. When the young officer had checked the horses and sent them to the stable, he said, "The cost of 500 horses is equal to 1 cup of rice in our kingdom." Saying so, he gave the merchant 1 cup of rice. The merchant was shocked. Just 1 cup of rice for 500 horses? He thought. The king, who was watching all this, felt happy that he got 500 horses for a cup of rice. The merchant was disappointed. He could not question the king. He was walking with a long face when he saw the old wise officer. He had heard a lot about this man and went and asked him for advice. After listening to the whole story, the old officer told him, "Go to the new officer tomorrow with a good gift. After some time, ask him in the presence of the king, what is the cost of a cup of rice in your kingdom?" The merchant agreed to this, and the next day he went to the new officer with a costly gift. The new officer felt that maybe the merchant was happy with the price he got for the horses. The merchant then praised the new officer for his intelligence, and then in the presence of the king and the ministers, the merchant asked, "Oh, wise one, can you please tell me the price of 1 cup of rice in the kingdom?" The new officer was already full of pride, and in a bid to impress the king further, he said, "The price of 1 cup of rice in our kingdom equals to the whole kingdom of Tripura." Everybody present in the court started laughing at the new officer. The ministers now protested. "What is this man speaking? Does 1 cup of rice equal to all the buildings, the civilizations of Tripura? He is a fool." Now the king was embarrassed and realized his fault. He removed the new officer from his position and reappointed the old officer. The merchant was also given a worthy price for his horses. Moral: never believe people who act too smart when appointed in high positions.